Every autumn, entire forests seem to catch fire, glowing with red, orange, and gold. But just weeks earlier, those same leaves were a plain, ordinary green. So where do all these colors come from? The surprising answer is that they were hiding inside the leaves the whole time. Let's start with the green. Leaves are green because they are packed with a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the tree's tiny solar panel, the molecule that captures sunlight so the tree can make its own food. All summer long, this chlorophyll works non-stop, using sunlight, water, and air to build sugar, the tree's energy. There is so much chlorophyll crammed into each leaf that its strong green completely hides every other color underneath. Because here is the secret. Those leaves were never only green. Hidden beneath the chlorophyll, they also carry yellow and orange pigments called carotenoids, the very same coloring found in carrots. They are there all summer, just buried under the green. Then autumn arrives. The days grow shorter and the nights turn cold. The tree senses that winter is coming, and it knows it cannot keep making food through months of frost. So it begins to shut its leaves down for the season. To save energy, the tree stops making chlorophyll, and the green it produced starts to fade and break apart. As that green curtain finally disappears, the yellows and oranges that were always there get their moment to shine through at last. But what about those fiery reds and deep purples? Here is the twist. Many trees actually make a brand new pigment in autumn called anthocyanin. Built from sugars trapped in the dying leaf, it paints them red and may even act like sunscreen, protecting the leaf as it shuts down. Meanwhile, at the base of every leaf, the tree quietly grows a thin, corky barrier. This seal slowly cuts off the leaf's supply of water and nutrients. No longer fed and no longer green, the leaf loosens its grip on the branch. And finally, it lets go and drifts to the ground. Dropping its leaves is how the tree survives winter. It saves precious water and energy, lets bare branches shrug off snow, and the fallen leaves rot down to feed the soil, ready to grow it all again in spring. So the colors of autumn are not the leaves dying so much as the tree revealing what was always inside and getting ready for a fresh start. And if there is a piece of everyday nature like this that you have always wondered about, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Heuristicos, and I'll see you in the next one.